After downloading MatrixPro, click through the indicated prompts to successfully install. Be sure to have both the MatrixPro and MISTI boxes checked when installing. Select OK when asked if you'd like to continue installing the MISTI connector. Once the applications are properly downloaded, log in to MatrixPro and the MISTI connector using your respective credentials. Launch the MISTI connector by selecting the displayed icon. Select Save Information to be remembered by the applications for future use. Accept our disclaimer and you're ready to trade.